Hey YouTube, this is JCPC Mac Forever, and this is my bike check. So in the front, I have Animal Edwin Delarosa grips with premium whiskey bars, profile push stem, FSA Impact headset, and then Fit Blade 2 forks. And my front wheel is a G-Sport Marmoset front hub laced to an Alienation Runaway rim with a KHE Mac 2 dirt tire. And then my frame is a premium Deathtrap. My seat is a Shadow seat post combo. And then my sprocket is a 28 tooth Odyssey Burlington with a SL chain and profile GDH cranks with Odyssey JCPC pedals. And then my bottom bracket is just stock. And my back wheel is a G-Sport Ratchet 9 tooth laced to a Alienation Runaway rim with a KHE Mac 2 park tire. Okay, well, that's it. Thanks for watching.